pretty go. As expected, Security Joy draws for the 11, moving up down on the inside sa Conqueror's Magic. Very close to this, the favorite Pampangueño, running in fourth with Alhambra. Then going back now to the leader. This time we have two entries matching strides together as they pass the half-mile pole. Security Joy is racing down on the inside alongside Conqueror's Magic. 3 lengths watching in third sa Pampangueño. Alhambra is running in fourth, and in fifth comes Esprit de Corps, rushing upon the outside is a lever action. Final Impact and Excessive Smash is running at the tail of the field. 3 and 50 to travel. We've got 3 entries now fighting out for the lead. Moving up in the middle portion is a Conqueror's Magic. On the further outside, Pampangueño. Down on the inside is a Security Joy, and down the stretch they come. Now we've got Pampangueño takes the lead from Conqueror's Magic, who's fighting back. Running now in third is Alhambra. Pampangueño for a back-to-back win for the owner, Attorney Narciso O. Morales. Second, number 1, Conqueror's Magic. Then comes Alhambra.